Good morning, students of class 6. In this video, we will continue the chapter. But the rattlesnake or rattler, as it is sometimes called, prefers to avoid people if it is. I have told you that they avoid to see people, but if they see, they think that they are disturbed, then they are ready to bite the human beings. But the rattler itself cannot hear the noise its own tail makes. But the rattler is unable to hear the noise. Like most snakes, it hears things through vibration in the ground. It can hear through vibration. If a person walks nearby, the snake can feel the movement. It can feel the movement of the person. But if the same person were to shout, they are unable to hear it. Rattlesnakes are very common and widespread animals. Living right across the American continent from Canada to Argentina, and this is very common animal and it lived in American continent from Canada to Argentina. They feed on a variety of prey including mice, voles, rats, chipmunks and many others small animals. They eat small animals like prey like mice, voles, rat, chipmunks. Chipmunks, small ground squirrels having light and dark stripes. Rattlesnakes kill their prey with venom. When they prey, they kill their prey with their poison. Like all snakes, they swallow the unfortunate animal's whole. They swallow the animal whole. Few snakes have to eat Few snakes have to eat more than once a week, and some, such as the larger python, can survive for a year or more without eating. You will be surprised to know that the pythons can survive for more than a year without eating the food. So it is very surprising. Mongooses like to hunt together, but they always keep a lookout for dangerous predators nearby. Predator, an animal naturally preying on others. Mongoose like to hunt the animals and poking their nose into holes, overturning rocks with their paws, and scratching the ground with their sharp claws. Banded mongooses are very amusing, interesting animals to watch. Mongoose like to hunt together. They always keep a lookout for dangerous predator, an animal naturally preying on others, poking their noses into holes, overturning rocks, and scratching the ground with their sharp claws. And mongoose take great interest in doing all such things, and it is very interesting to watch. A common sight in many parts of Africa, they travel in groups in about 20 to forage search for food. Now they travel in groups of 20 or more than this, and they search for food. What is their food? Beetles, millipedes and some other creatures. They like to hunt together, keeping in touch whenever go out of sight behind rocks or bushes by twittering and calling. And now they go for hunting together, but they keep in touch when their friends are out of sight by twittering and calling. Always on the look for danger, hawks, eagles and large snakes, they warned one another when they saw any type of danger. At that time they warned one another. They warned one another with a special alarm call if they spot anything. If they found that there is something dangerous, then they warn. Thank you, students.